Sofia and Jacob's Toy Squad. So today we are going to be unboxing some Hot Wheels and slime. Let's get started.
So I'm gonna go first. Let's get started.
By the way, there is slime in there, so yeah.
Oh, that's really
Fun fact of the video, my favourite colour is blue.
Get out, Carly car. Oh, it's all covered in slime.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh. Oh.
It's a monster truck.
Now I think I'll open mine. I'm desperate to feel the slime.
Oh.
I'm going next. Oh, it's so. Ooh, I actually like this. Oh, I actually like this.
Oh, I got this.
It's like really jiggly and like wet, but then it's not wet.
Sophia, get the car out. See what your car is.
Oh. I'm getting all the slime. I hope this doesn't make a mess. All the slime is like really weird and like jelly. Jelly. Jelly welly belly. Ooh.
Ooh. Didn't know this was in there.
Okay, so I got this car. I can get it out.
Oh, it's green.
Green is not my favorite color, but I don't mind it. Even though it's boyish stuff, I don't really care. No. Oh, I don't give a toy monkey. There it is. I want to play with the slime. The slime's like really nice. So Jacob's now going to open his next. What colour is going to be in the slime? Comment down below. Focus. Use those muscles, Jacob. Little muscles. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Sorry guys. I'm so satisfied. I'm so sorry guys. Look at. Oh, it has a little dot in it.
Come on, Carly car. Oh, it's blue again.
Okay, I'm gonna open mine now.
It's drifting.
Yes! I got blue! Light blue, baby blue is my favorite colour. Let's get the car out. Mine. This is so mine.
Oh my
So
god,
here's
that
the
car
car.
looks really cool.
This is the car, it's yellow. Like a Lamborghini. And I'm trying to get the slime out of it because I don't want to get the slime all stuck in it. Because that's not. I love this. Guys, comment down below what you think. Did you like number 1 or number 2? Jelly
Comment down below who you think the best, Sophia's or
It's going clear slime.
I
Yay!
need to get more slime.
There's all like blue puddles and stuff, Jake. Oh, it's stuck to the towel. Yikes. Mine's like a blue crystal clear slime. And this one's like a really soft slime. Oh no, it's got stuck. Oh no. Oh no, it hasn't. I'm gonna hold them in 2 hands and like show you guys. Oh, I don't want them to mix.
I'm lifting
I'm
towel.
scared they're gonna mix. Oh. You have like little puddles of the blue. I love it so much. It's like a lime colour.
You get all my
I'm so glad I got this blue because blue's my favourite colour. So we enjoyed playing with these slimes. It came with Hot Wheels cars and slime, which is also really cute. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to subscribe and like this video. We hope you guys liked it. See you guys later.
Bye.